Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kavya from Sri Venkateshwar College of Engineering, Bengaluru, studying in the Department of Electronics and Communication, and this is my second semester. Today I am going to explain about the topic of optical fiber and propagation mechanism in optical fibers. And let us move towards the introduction part. That is, fiber optics or optical fiber refers to the technology that transmits information as light pulses along a glass or plastic fiber. A fiber optic cable can contain a varying number of glass fibers from a few up to a couple hundred. Another glass layer called cladding surrounding the glass fiber core. In the picture we can see the optical fiber layers. And next is construction of optical fiber. Optical fibers are essentially light guides used in the optical communication as waveguides. They are transparent dielectrics and able to guide visible and infrared light over long distances. An optical fiber is cylindrical in shape and it has just two parts. The inner part, which is a cylindrical material, is made up of glass or plastic and is called the core. The outer part, which is a concentric cylindrical surrounding the core, is called cladding. The cladding is also made of similar material but of lesser refractive index. There is a material continuity between core and cladding. The cladding is enclosed in polyurethane jacket, which is safeguards the fiber against chemical reaction with surroundings and also against abrasion and crushing. Many such fibers, each one protected by individual jackets, are grouped of form a cable. A cable may consist of one to several hundred such fibers. In the picture we can see the parts of the optical fiber, that is center one, innermost center one is core, and after that coating and cladding, and outermost is outer jacket. And next is optical fiber in telecommunication. Optical fibers is used by many telecommunications companies to transmit telephone signals, internet communication, and cable television signals. Researchers at Bell Labs have reached a record bandwidth distance product of over 100 terabit into kilometers per second using fiber optic communication. And next is optical fiber in satellite body or celestial body. Fibers are used instead of metal wires because signals travel along them with less loss, and they are also immune to electromagnetic interference. These advantages make it a viable system to be used in various high data rate systems, building data communication in intra-satellite systems. Optical satellite communications use very narrow beam which needs high accuracy pointing. As questioning and tracking technology for communication links, this feature makes it more advantageous than recommunication for security reasons. In the picture we can see the satellite body in optical fiber. Then next is propagation mechanism in optical fibers. The cladding is in an optical fiber always has a lower refractive index than that of the core. The light signal which enters into the core and strikes the interface of the core and cladding with an angle greater than the critical angle will undergo total internal reflection. In the picture we can see the optical fiber mechanism, that is core and light ray, and outermost layer is cladding, and thus the light signals undergo multiple reflections within the core and propagates through the fiber. Since each reflection is a total internal reflection, there is no absorption of the light energy at the reflecting surface. Therefore, the signal sustains its strength and also confines itself completely within the core during the propagation. After series of such total internal reflection, it emerges out of core. Thus, the optical fiber works as a waveguide. Core must be taken avoid very sharp bends in the fiber, because at sharp bends the light ray fails to undergo total internal reflection. And let us move towards the top advantages of optical fibers. That is, first one is better bandwidth. Fiber optic cables have much greater bandwidth than metal cables. Higher bandwidth means faster speed, then longer transmission distances, then fourth one is greater flexibility, and last one is optical communication offers several advantages over traditional methods, including faster data transfer rates and immunity to electromagnetic interference. It also allows for longer transmission distances without significant signal degradation and provides secure and reliable data transfer. And next is disadvantages of optical fibers. First one is cost. FTTH deployment can be expensive, requiring significant upfront investment in infrastructure such as laying fiber optic cables directly to individual homes. Installation challenges. The installation process for FTTH can be complex and time consuming. The process of installing fiber optic cables can result in the disturbance of the environment. It could force animals to relocate and plants to die. This process of installing cables and damaging the environment is not only happening underground on land, but it also in the sea. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and please support. Thank you.